This is a Krups Pixie Nespresso machine which leaks water when making a cup of coffee. There is a lot of water wasted in the overflow tray and very little ends up in our coffee cup. This is due to many years of buildup which can't be removed by descaling, so we're going to take it apart step by step and clean it. With both overview and detail shots, so you can do this yourself and save your nice little coffee maker. We remove the side panels with a T15 Torx bit. Remove the power cord protection. Remove the strain relief by inserting a little screwdriver and levering it out. Now disconnect the power connections with needle nose pliers and remove the power cord. Then we can remove the water guides on the front of the machine. Start at the bottom, press it to the top of the machine and lift it out. Some of these machines have damper springs, which are located here. Remove those if they are present. They weren't present in mine. Use a Torx 20 screwdriver to remove the screws on the side of the handle and pull it off. Now we remove the cover on which the water tank rests. We carefully remove the light guide. This is held in place by a very tiny piece of fragile plastic, so take your time and don't use too much force. Now we can remove the buttons cover. The actual housing is a bit of a struggle, so to make it easier, I will first show you where the clips are located. These are the two clips on the top of the machine. These two are on the back, and this one on the bottom. This one in the middle can't be accessed from the outside, so that's just a matter of pulling it loose with quite a bit of force. So here's the other side of the housing with the hooks that click into the clips. These two on the back, two on the top, this one on the front, this one to make repairing even more difficult, one in the middle, and this one on the bottom. And they put a little one down here, as if there weren't not enough. The clip on the top of the front side of the machine can be reached from the outside. Here is a close-up where we see the clip using a little mirror. This one can be unclipped using a pry tool. The rest are done by squeezing a flat pry tool in between the seam of the two halves. Whenever you manage to loosen a clip, stick something in the seam so it won't click back. The moment I was filming this, I had no idea where the clips were, so it took a bit of time, but now you know where the clips are, so that should help. Now that we have the two halves separated, we can concentrate on the brew group. I was able to separate it, putting it brew group side down and wiggle a bit. To remove the brew group itself, we need to remove the pieces that attach to the big handle. This is done by pressing the group down and pulling them out like this. Here we can see the buildup of old coffee that causes our back pressure problem. The plastic components can be cleaned separately by hand or put in the dishwasher if you have one. I put all the plastic bits in the dishwasher and they came out wonderful. Putting everything back together was quite easy compared to taking everything apart.
Do you hear that? My sanity about to break while everyone I know's out. On a trip, on a boat, on a lake. I'm tired of feeling all FOMO, babe. I don't even care if we stay home. Put our to-do list on ice. Crank the AC to 79 and make a little island right here. And there ain't a palm tree in sight, but there's not a cloud in your blue eyes. If we need a drink, I'll be the bartender. I got a fifth of Patron and a blender, baby. Slipping on a swimsuit is overrated. We don't need a beach to get a half naked. Life's too short, let's not waste it. Cause paradise is wherever we make it. Paradise is wherever we make it. Till the sun's up Monday, we'll tell our phones, do not disturb. I got my straw hat, babe. And you can finally pull the tags on your Tommy Bahama shirt. Blue crush up on the 85-inch sound machine. When we wanna hear the ocean, I think everything we need is right here. And there ain't a palm tree in sight, but there's not a cloud in your blue eyes. If we need a drink, I'll be the bartender. I got a fifth of Patron and a blender, baby. Slipping on a swimsuit is overrated. We don't need a beach to get a half naked. Life's too short, let's not waste it. Cause paradise is wherever we make it. Paradise is wherever we make it. Oh, this view of you, it's got everything I need. Yeah, the rooms, they're cheap. And if we don't wanna, we don't ever, ever, ever have to leave. Yeah, there might not be a palm tree in sight, but there's not a cloud in your blue eyes. If we need a drink, I'll be the bartender. I got a fifth of Patron and a blender, baby. Slipping on a swimsuit is overrated. We don't need a beach to get a half naked. Life's too short, let's not waste it. Cause paradise is wherever we make it. Paradise is wherever we make it. AC to 79. Paradise is wherever we make it.
And there we are, a well-working coffee machine that only drips a tiniest bit of water in a drip tray, which is normal. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, subscribe and press the join button to become part of our repair community for the price of an aubergine once a month. I hope you will join me in the next video. Bye then!